In this video, I'll guide you through using Afterpay with Cash App, allowing you to split your purchases into manageable installments. 1. Access Cash App. Afterpay. Open the Cash App on your device. Navigate to the Afterpay section within the app. Second, shop online. Browse participating online retailers that accept Afterpay. At checkout, select Cash App Afterpay as your payment method. 3. Complete purchase. Follow the prompts to finalize your purchase. Your payment will be divided into 4 interest-free installments. 4. Manage payments. Monitor and manage your payment schedule directly within the Cash App. Ensure timely payments to maintain a good standing. Block incorporated investor relations. That's how you can use Afterpay with Cash App to make flexible payments on your purchases. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.